Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon popsicles with an easy guide. This simple recipe uses just a few common ingredients you likely have on hand. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your fresh lemons, sugar, and water, to preparing your molds. Get ready to create a refreshing treat that's perfect for any warm day, requiring minimal effort and delivering maximum flavor. Now, let's get to the heart of our lemon popsicles, the fresh lemon flavor. First, carefully zest 1 or 2 lemons. This adds a wonderful aromatic depth. Then, juice all 4 to 6 of your lemons. You're aiming for approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Be sure to strain the juice thoroughly to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth and delightful popsicle texture. Next, we'll create the perfect balance of sweet and tart. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar has completely dissolved, forming a simple syrup. Once cooled slightly, stir in your fresh lemon juice and the zest you prepared earlier. This combination is key to our vibrant flavor. Finally, it's time for the magic to happen. Carefully pour your delicious lemon mixture into your chosen popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. Then, insert a popsicle stick into each mold. Place the filled molds into your freezer and let them chill for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once frozen, simply unmold and enjoy your homemade, refreshing lemon popsicles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.